First kiss was the sweetest, second kiss was a twist, third and the fourth kiss, I don't wanna miss. You got the right stuff, Colorbond, the colors that would turn me on. You got the... Just roll the intro. I'm getting out of here. Hey there, Gladiators. I'm Kenny, and today I'm going to show you the difference between Colorbond matte monument and the normal monument. Right, because some people think it's the same color. It's completely not. It's a totally different color. Other than the fact that it's named monument, it shares the same letters M-O-N-U-M-E-N-T in its name. Other than that, they are totally different colors. The pigments are different. They don't actually match. It's very strange. But when you look at the two together, one's light grey, or a lighter grey, and the other one's darker. So they're not the same. That there is monument. That's a normal monument, absolutely beautiful. If you're going for a satin finish, monument is an absolutely beautiful color. It's not too sharp with like a night sky in black. It is kind of like the dark grey which you'd want on your Raptor. So it's a beautiful color. It goes so well in so many aspects. It creates this tone of color that is a deep dark tone that so many other colors go well with. So it's a great selection if that's the color that you're going for. And then monument matte is a great selection if that's the color you're going for. However, please don't get them confused, because monument's normal and monument matte are two different colors. They are. I don't know any other way to show you other than they're two different colors. So we did a house in Boona, let's say Boona, where all of the roof and wall cladding was done in monument matte. It had clip lock monument matte, and it also had standing seam monument matte, which was a Highland tray product. And it looked absolutely amazing around all the windows. It was great. The whole project looked great. The owner had put monument windows in, so got all the windows powder coated in monument. Yep. And it almost, like, you can see the two together, they don't match. So instead of, like, when doing the monument, you need to, when doing monument and you're going to get monument windows, then you need to, or you want matching windows, you want to get monument matte, but you want to ask for it in monument flat and electro if dual luck. So a monument flat electro is the color that you want for this one, and this is monument. So when you ask for powder coating colors to match monument, it's monument. So they look okay together if you're going the two colors together and that's what you want. However, please don't get confused and think that monument and monument matte are the same color, because they're not. They're not. This one here, sorry Colorbond, but this one should be called something different. This one here should be called charcoal matte, or I guess it needs to have some trademarked name like, coal seam matte? I don't know. Anyway, these are two different colors. I wanted to share it with you guys at home, you ladies, you boys and girls. When you build your house, just know that you need to know the difference. And from me to you, I won't sing an outro. Not today. You can watch one of the other videos. Watch one of the... If you have an opinion of which one of these is better, please leave them in the comments and push like and subscribe, because I wait till the end of the video where people have stopped watching before they hit that like and subscribe button, because 87% of people that watch our videos aren't subscribed, and if you look at the videos that have like 12,000 views, it's even higher, unfortunately. 'Cause you rise to the madness.